The major difference between volume and surface area is that volume is describing what fills up the three-dimensional shape, where surface area is what goes on the outside. So one simple example is in a fish tank. The amount of water you put into the fish tank would be volume, but the glass on the outside is the surface area. How much glass does it take to make a fish tank? For this problem right here, to find the volume, all I would have to do is do 6 times 3 times 2, which is 3 times 2 is 6, times 6 is 36 centimeters cubed. But for surface area, we have a lot more work to do. We have to find the area of each shape and add them all together. We know a rectangular prism has 6 sides, so we're going to have to add up 6 sides in the end. Right off the bat, you can tell that this shape and this shape is the same exact thing because they're opposite and parallel when we fold them up. We know that this shape and this shape is going to be the same thing because, again, opposite and parallel as they fold it up, right? Top and bottom of the box, side and side. And the last section here is the front and the back of the box. Think about a cereal box, right? Front and the back of the box. So we know that these are going to be the same sizes. So let's go ahead and let's start off with the red. We know that that is a 6 times 3 area, which is 18 centimeters squared, which means that this is also 18 centimeters squared. Okay? Let's go with the blue box. And we know the blue is going to be actually 2 because this right here tells us it's 2. And then the height is going to be 6. So we have 2 times 6, which is 12. And I'm going to not write centimeters squared, and then 12 centimeters squared. The green boxes, that is going to be 2 going up and 3 going across, which is 6 and 6. Last thing we need to do is add all of these up. If I add up my ones place, I'm going to get 32. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to have 72. And that's going to be centimeters squared because I'm finding the surface area.